Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 20-inch MDF base in which I already drew circles and created grids as usual. We can get started with dotting now. I'll get started with dotting in the center with gold. Now I'll dot with metallic golden yellow. Now I'll keep tiny dots in golden yellow. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in gold. Now I'll keep some metallic green dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in green. I'll keep some golden dots now. When you don't follow the grid lines and want to keep continuous dotting, all you need to do is to keep dots closer to each other without leaving a space, but it shouldn't touch each other. So you need to be little slow and conscious in the amount of paint you are picking up with the tool and the speed with which you are dotting. See, like I did here, sometimes even if you are very carefully dotting around the circle, the last moment the space may be little less for this size of a dot, but if you leave it as a space, then it could be little odd looking. So what you can do is use the same tool, pick up less amount of paint and manage to dot there. That's what I did now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in gold. Now I'll keep metallic blue dots. So the consistency of these metallic acrylic color, it's thick and little sticky than the normal acrylic colors. So you really have to follow some special tactics to dot with these metallic colors. You need to slow down. Now I'll keep tiny dots in blue. Now I'll keep some golden dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots in gold. I'll keep some golden dots now. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some more golden dots now. I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some more yellow dots. I'll work the dots first layer in yellow now. Now I'll work the dots second layer in yellow. I'll work the dots third layer in yellow. Now I'll work the dots in gold. I'm going to keep straight swipes in gold. I'll keep a plumpy dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep two side swipes in golden yellow. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. I'll keep some golden dots now. I'll keep some more golden dots now. Now I'll keep smaller green dots. I'll keep some more green dots now. I'll work the dots in green now. Now I'll work the second layer, again using same green. Now I'm going to work the dots third layer again in green. Now I'll work the dots in gold. Now I'm going to keep straight swipes in gold. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep two side swipes in green. I'll keep a dot, then drag it to a swipe. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some golden dots. Now I'll keep some more golden dots. I'll keep some blue dots now. Now I'll keep some more blue dots. Now I'll work the dots first layer in blue. Now I'll work the dot second layer. work the dots third layer with blue. Now I'll work the dots using gold. Now I'll keep straight swipes in gold. I'll keep a plumpy dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep two side swipes in the same blue. I'm keeping a dot, then making it to a swipe later. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep some bigger blue dots. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well, beautiful and shining. Thank you for watching this video.